Are you tired of taking multiple screenshots to capture an entire web page or document? Today, I'll show you the easiest way to take scrolling screenshots on your laptop. Let's get started. Click the first link in the description. You will be redirected to the extensions page. Alternatively, go to your browser, type scrolling screenshot and website annotation app in the search bar, and click on the first result. You'll land on the same page. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Click Add Extension. Close all the unnecessary tabs. Refresh your tab. Click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Click on the extension icon again. Select Scrolling Screenshot. Wait until the extension captures the whole page. Click End Scrolling Screenshot. Wait for the screenshot to load. Click Download. Choose Download Image as PNG. Click the folder icon to locate your saved screenshot. Double-click on the screenshot to open it. Zoom in to view the details in high resolution. As you can see, it's very clear and has a 4K resolution. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.